Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Someone requested to prepare and upload the recipe of masala oats in kettle. So today's recipe is masala oats. First heat some oil. Must add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. After that add the onions. Fry the onions till light brown color. After the onions are ready, add the vegetables of your choice. Now I'm adding carrots and green peas. You can add capsicum also. Again fry it for a minute. Okay, now add the tomatoes to it and add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add some salt. Red chili powder. And garam masala powder. Now fry this mixture till the tomatoes are done. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Now the tomatoes are done, guys. Now add water. In this video I am going to prepare 2 packets of masala oats. It is Safola masala oats. So add around 3 cups of water. Let the water get boiled. Water is boiling now. Now add oats to it. It will take around 3 to 5 minutes, guys, to done. Okay, let it boil till 3 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to stir it occasionally. Close the lid and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah guys, whoever having a pigeon or prestige electric kettle which is having automatic switch off and on feature, you can also make like you prepare the Maggi. In that way only you can prepare it also. First boil some water, after that add the veggies to that. You can add also onions to it and add all the masalas like salt and red chili powder, turmeric and garam masala powder. After the water is boiled, the procedure is same. Okay. Yeah guys, oats is ready now. Now take this to a bowl. Yes guys, now the masala oats is ready. You can also eat with by using any sauce, green chili sauce or tomato ketchup. Then if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.